Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, tarot reader, and Jamaican citizen at the moment, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. And dad come just to live this here lifestyle. The beginning. Beginning. I see him leaving with him lawyer. Long thug, I don't know nothing. Sometimes I need to leave these rap hoes alone. Cause some of them are talk about your blood clot business when them want hype for other girl, but yeah, me in bed with my man and I send picture behind your blood clot. But if you know say a man and one girl leak your blood clot information, if you want a lawyer, fuck her. Wash your blood clot. What? Becky with the blood clot loyalistic here. I see there's allegations going around that Young Thug and she is dating. Okay, when you can deny these allegations, you're not in court anymore. Young Thug, I don't have blood clot, not if you want there with that. Your woman a big, nice lawyer girl. Look at that change. Look at that change. Rather than you say, nigga, eat the fellas, better do what I do now. He thought I was feeling, you thought I was loyal to you? You thought I was Bonnie and Clyde to you? That nigga, nigga, eat it for lunch, right? Young Thug, I don't know if you do with lawyer girl. That your mother would have been proud of you, sir. At least I learned something from that judge. It's not nothing. Young Thug, I don't know if you want get her on the side. I don't know she feel about side argument, understand? Because obviously she was on the right side of justice this time. But Young Thug, a liar girl for the with, you're there with rap girl for fucking fun. Why? For getting a blood clot problem. There with the liar girl, I have no reservations because of that. Anyways, Scorpio, let us go ahead and go in your reading. What's the current phase you're in right now, Scorpio? Hold on. Okay, let's go. We have the Justice card. Exact. I know nothing if you do. I know nothing. Our pum pum bring life. Our pum pum bring life. Really life is just feel a vibe for just. Spend them life with you. Die for you. Fight for you. Spend them life for you. Your liar. She looking for a spender. A real thing to remember. Take the world where she spend her. The liar, she pretty like Dali. Hey, liar, can you please take the center? Young Thug on a blood clot. No, I approve that. See the blood clot certified with the board of blood, whatever state you're in, it was certified there. The Libra, Young Thug and nothing. You're taking up these rapper girls, makeup artists, these Instagram chicks. If a lawyer is interested in you, I don't know why you would decline that offer. You'd be a dumbass. You did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Yeah, because a liar. Otherwise, you'd have been in prison doing time for that lifestyle. Anyways, what do you need to let go of? Another law again. King of Swords. Who is the Aries, Gemini, or Aquarius man? Or you need to let go of thinking knowing everything. You might know the streets, but you don't know blood clot inside a prison, and you don't know the court of law. And your lawyer over probably could help you when it comes down to your music to get right to it. Cause now you do time. That means you do your initiation. So there's a King of Swords here that it's saying you should let go of. What is Young Thug's? I approve that message. Him is a Leo. Maybe a Leo Aquarius. Anyways, let us go. What should you focus on? The Six of Swords, leaving. Everything here says here. So we're dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So why you leave? You relocate, don't stay where you live. You go back home, you have to move. You cannot go back home to that house unless the government they tell you say you have to stay there for how much days under whatever house arrest. Otherwise, if you're free for leave, move. You just come out of prison. Whereas your lawyer girl, you cannot be putting her in problems living in that ghetto-ash infested place. Because that's the only way why you fucking get sketched. How can you tap into your higher? You know, she said when the girl did shut off when King Von dead, you know, so King Von woman shut off. Enough of them girl I use man too. The lucky a prison in the land. Cause it wasn't anything for you say Young Thug dead. How can you tap into your higher self? Yeah, the lover's card. I am telling you, I approve the girl. Me have it's the higher self here is king. What you want to do? You want with bodies? You want with the girl them with the injection? Even if the girl them ass flat like mine, you still want to quit them when you have lawyer pussy can't fuck with. That's what man need to know on the caliber say. Not only how the pussy look, but the caliber of pussy you're fucking. You have some man can say, you know, some ex-baby mother a nurse. She a nurse, she a accountant, and she a doctor. Your ex-women are homeless! I swear, before this, I was a pharmacy technician, okay? I was crowned Mr. Miss Vauxhall 2008. I was on CVM-TV doing a program called The Rap. And when we get married, my life blood clot fall down. When I got married, la France, l'homme de française, call this la française, right? That is your solution to life. The next people you're gonna do it. I know you're out of prison, your next girlfriend asks you, why you did in a prison? Why you did do? You're guilty? What you talk about? You have lawyer interested in you. Allegedly, if it's true. Because I see them deny allegations. I don't know why the allegations came up. But apparently she's very friendly with him, friendly with her. Young Thug, duck. I approve the message. You liar. Let me see what guys. Hold on. Oh my god, I can't find it. I just saw it this morning. Jesus Christ. Wait, we need to get her. Come see this morning. Right? Because I need to get it right. Good morning to them. Good morning. What should they make it? Oh, how are this? Because she lawyer. It looks like because she's a fucking lawyer. I can't find. Wait. I just saw it this morning. Did they get it offline already? What the? We can't find it again. I saw it this morning. Okay, well. Harp coming like Bible. When it's open up, you see heaven. Harp bless my angel. Young Thug lawyer, never like Rachel. Harp they coming like Bible. Parable no, some great says. From born till now, that stay blessed. Never feel the trial. She have the ever blessed good. Gonna go with her, fall in love with her, like whoa. This is my advice. Take it as you wish. The same way you take the advice of your lawyer. Did you take advice of your girlfriend? Maybe that's why you're there. Sorry, some of them get that pussy crosses. Larceny. I don't know where your teeth or who stole what. Come visit me. Did your girlfriend come visit in a prison more than your lawyer? No? Okay. So you know where your heart lies right now. We have cursed. You cursed the hood bitches. Because I'm not nice. Great. Lying. And all you do is lie to them. You couldn't lie to your lawyer though. That's why. Can we just talk? Third eye and the Hermit Virgo. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.